Hi everybody, Derek here from Musical Journeys Through Cinema. Today I have with me these keto-friendly chocolate brownies. This particular box comes with 6 of them, and this is what the box looks like. 9 grams total fat, includes almond flour and pecans, so just so you know, if you have a nut allergy, it does have nuts in it. Has a little description about the food. Website link. This is what the brownie includes on the back, what you can expect from it when you eat it. Nutrition label. Best by date on the bottom, box tops on top. And these are the packages it comes in. And here's the brownie itself right here. It's a nice size. As you can see, it has a few nuts in it. And it tastes great. My dad loves to get these. They are some of his favorite. And yeah, I love the taste of them too. And I recommend you try them out. Nice and healthy form of brownie.